Students, as we had talked about the place of women in society, some changes evolved, especially in the middle class people. Those who were literate, they began to feel sympathy for the miserable condition of the women and their life. Till then, the means of communication had developed. Why? Due to some educated people, some knowledgeable people, isn't it? Then what happened? They took the help of printing press. Okay? And you know very well that whatever will be printed, it would be published, isn't it? So, the condition of women were highlighted through newspapers, magazines, books, journals, pamphlets, and so on. Alright? In this way, the social reformers got an opportunity to do something better for women. Okay? Now, we'll talk about some social reformers and their foundations. Alright? First name as a social reformer is our Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was the founder of the Brahmo Samaj in Calcutta. He opposed sati and the Parda system and child marriage and polygamy. What did he do? He led movements in favor of remarriage of the widows and education of women. Alright. He was highly influenced by Western education. He respected the abroad languages. Due to his efforts in journal, Governor General Lord William Bentinck abolished the practice of sati in 1829. He advocated freedom and equality for women and introduced widow remarriage in the society. Second name as a social reformer is our Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He was also the reformer in Bengal and carried over the work of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. His writing works and persuaded the British officials to pass laws for enforcing remarriage of widows and banning polygamy. And later on, the Widow Remarriage Act of 1856 was passed. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar opened 35 schools for girls in Bengal between 1851 and 1855 with his own money and enrolled 1,300 students. What a great work, isn't it? Then, third name as a social reformer is our Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Alright. He was the founder of the Arya Samaj. He raised his voice in favor of widow remarriage and education of girls. He condemned the child marriage and opened schools for girls in Punjab. Okay. Fourth name as a social reformer is our Kandukuri Virasalingam Panchulu. Okay. He was a Telugu Brahmin of the Madras Presidency. He opened the first girls' school in the south. He formed an association for widow remarriage and female education. He published a journal, Viveka Vardhani, to promote enlightenment in 1878. Alright. Fifth name as a social reformer is our Pandita Ramabai. She was a powerful lady who earned name as a rebel champion of women's rights. She wrote a book, High Caste Hindu Women, in which she has discussed the plight of upper caste Hindu women and widows. She also founded Sarda Sadhana School for Widows in Bombay and a shelter home Mukti near Pune. Okay. In this way, we got 5 social reformers. Thank you.